Riboti iria yandikithitio ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kilimani yugite gicanjama giki kihanikire thaa imwe ya rucini umuthi riria Mumbunge Babu Owino maikanirie ciugo na Felix Orinda uria ni DJ wa kirabu kia B Club njukaniriro iria icungireire Babu Owino kuruta mucinga wake na kumuratha.
The shooting was occasioned by the differences in the club, and they mentioned the shooter as the Honorable Babu Owino. And now, fortunately, we got the Member of Parliament in the hospital. He was the person who took the victim to the hospital.
A person who eventually he realized was his friend somehow approached him in a way that was unexpected, and Babu reacted. I can only say reacted, let me not say anything else beyond that, and eventually somebody was shot. So this was not an intention to commit an offense.
Murangiri wa kirabu kiu Jojo Tieno niwe uhanyukire borithi kwandikithia gicanjama kiu.
What has made us to arrest him is the case, as by now, is a serious assault.
Felix Orinda Kuratuika irathiro ngingo-ini na hanyukio thibitari ni arugamiria kirabu kiu atekwiigua.
Hali yake si mbaya sana kwa sababu bado anaweza kuongea. Amepelekwa scan, tumeconfirm ya kwamba risasi ilipita haiku lodge kwa mwili na anaendelea vizuri.
Babu actually used, it's Babu himself who actually took even the victim to hospital. By himself, he carried him, took him to hospital and paid for his treatment and is still paying.
Borithi maraukire kirabu-ini kiu gwetha mucinga wa Babu Owino uria kuratuika ni ukurite.
A shot came out from a firearm of a mheshimiwa, and by now we have possessed the firearm itself and we have confirmed the same.
Owino kuhetukira wakiri wake augite ni gucogothirwo akiuga ati ona ni andikithite riboti borithi ni akiuga muturire wake uri ugwati-ini.
You can remember that on 17th of November 2019 he reported an incident of whereby he had been tracked and being followed by other people, and he went and reported an apprehension that his life was in danger. He made this report and then at Parliament Police Station at about 5 p.m. on that date. And since then, he has been very anxious. He has been increasing his security, he has been changing his routes, he has been moving from one place to the other.
Maafitha aya a borithi ni mambiriria uthuthuria wa kwenda kumenya niki Mumbunge uyu aretikiririo kuingira kirabu na mucinga ona thutha wa imenyithia ici kuonania ati gutire mundu witikiririo kuingira kirabu kiu na mucinga. Mundurume ucio urathirwo ararigitirwo thibitari-ini wa Nairobi Hospital o riri uthuthuria wa kiria kiracungireire Babu kumuratha ugithie na mbere. Handũ-ini ha Inooro TV, witagwo Kimakariuki.